Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are gonna be learning how to add friends in World of Tanks game. Whether you are new to the game or just want to squad up with someone, this will help you connect without any hassle. First, open up the World of Tanks application and log into your account as usual. Also make sure your game is fully updated, and once you're inside the main garage screen, look for this platoon icon over here on the left hand side menu. Now click the search button at the bottom and then in the enter a nickname text box at the top left, type down the name of your friend you want to add in the game. After searching for the friend, go ahead and tap on the question mark icon or their profile picture in the search result on the left hand side. After you select the friend from the search result, tap on their name once again and then you will end up in their profile. Now click on add to friends. Once you do that, you will be able to send them the friend request. Your friend will need to accept the request before they show up in your friend list. Once accepted, you'll be able to invite them to platoons, chat in the game, or team up for battles easily. And that is how you will be able to add friends on World of Tanks Blitz game. While adding friends, make sure you are adding real players, avoid sharing or requesting personal info in-game, and always play fair and keep your communications respectful. And that's how you know how to add friends in World of Tanks. If this guide helped you out, feel free to subscribe for more quick gaming tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any other features you'd like to learn next, and thanks for watching.